ito, mag-ano tayo ito. Magtulungan tayo kasi si Lola may ng pampasahe doon. So imagine, maybe that's their last coin. Binigay sa akin. Hindi ko na hindi ko, I didn't count how much was that. Then I put it in my hands and I called them. Hey, mga boys, punta kayo dito. Sabi, bakit Lola? Kunin, you get this and give it to those who had contributed this month. Bakit Lola? Ako ang magbigay sa inyo ng prize. Ito. Sabi nga si Lola. I said, I am a vlogger. I'm just only pretending kung sino. Kayo ay mapakabuting ng mga bata. Mabuting ka. You are being brought up and will wrong by your parents. So keep it up. Palaging ganyan. Sagutin ko Lola. So binigyan ko sila ng mga chicherias at happy sila. Thank you so much Lola. Sabi ng apo ko. They came from that school UC pa. Iba doon ay classmate nila. So yun nga mga kagwaps. Kaya that was the last that I have done there, being a bigger para ko, I'm not used to that big. Kaya parang nahiya ako sa sarili ko. And after that, my son told me, Mama, why are you doing that? Being a bigger, alam mo? That's the mendicancy. That's against the law of, may balaod dyan, may law tayo dyan na bawal maghingi. Huh? Baka doon ka pick up na doon namin doon sa may car sale. Huwag mo na gagawin yan, sabi ng anak kong lalaki, si China, sabi niya, huwag mo gawin yun, Mama, kasi doon ka pindot pa pick up namin sa may car sale, baka maano ka. Bilang, oh my God, just imagine. Then again, my anak said, Tita, wag na. I got tired of doing that. So ngayon, na lang, pag may makita ako, pero sometimes I cannot have my video, kasi so anyway, maybe some other time I will have to, yun lang, hindi lang yun yung pagtulong mo sa, yung ganyan ba? Yun lang pag may giveaways, ganyan. Pero pag yung kailangan ang tulong mo na nagmasakit o nauuhaw, basta. So yun mga guwaps. Sino ba to? Hey, who are you? Who are you there? Who are you? May nag-ano dito. Dongbert. Who is Dongbert? Okay ka lang po. Who is Dongbert? From where are you? Yan ko na ito ha. Okay. There. Who are you, Dongbert? Okay ka lang po. Yes, I'm okay. Dongbert. From where are you? I don't know how to respond here kasi I don't know how to share here. Tingnan ko muna. Save your channel. Here. So, Sleepy. Who is Sleepy? Sino bang Sleepy din? Live chat. Remember to guard you.